From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Nathan Flinchbaugh from the Campus Weather Service with a look at your forecast for today. Starting out the morning, you can see we have a nice sunrise over Mount Nittany, some fog in parts of the valley this morning, but for the most part, we're clear. 57 degrees your temperature right now, visibility is 10 miles, winds are calm to start out the day. Your weather headlines for the next few days, we're going to have a warm end to August, so the next few days are going to continue to feel a little bit like summer. A storm will be possible on Wednesday, and that'll lead to a more cool and fall-like start to the month of September. Right now, temperatures across the state pretty typical for late August, ranging from the upper 40s through parts of the cooler valleys of the north, through the 60s to near 70 across southeastern Pennsylvania, where the humidity is held on a little bit longer. Zooming out and looking at the mid-Atlantic, for the most part, New England and Pennsylvania are the coolest areas on the map right now, but we have some warmer air off to our west, 74 in Chicago, 74 in Nashville. It's also a little bit more humid out there, and that's the weather that's going to be moving in ahead of our cold front for the day tomorrow, which could eventually spawn an afternoon shower or thunderstorm, as I'll show you here. Not much going on today. Sunshine wall to wall. Clouds will start to increase tomorrow morning especially, and then we'll see a broken line of scattered showers and thunderstorms move through here tomorrow afternoon, probably more likely tomorrow evening before moving out to sea and making way for some cooler air to finish out the week. That's really all that's going on close to home, but the tropics have been quite active. This is what's been making national news. Here's Tropical Depression 8, just off the coast of North Carolina, maximum sustained winds at 35 miles per hour. We're expecting this to basically curl on out to sea. It'll strengthen and become a tropical storm sometime within the next 24 to 48 hours before it weakens as it reaches some colder water up in the Canadian Maritimes. As a result of its close proximity to North Carolina, there are tropical storm warnings for parts of the Outer Banks and Pamlico Sound for the next couple of days. We'll keep an eye on it. Tropical Depression 9, also making headlines right now. It's also a depression right now, but it's expected to strengthen into a tropical storm relatively soon as it soaks up some of the warm Gulf waters. By Thursday afternoon, we could be talking about a landfall on the Gulf Coast of Florida. This one will also pack a little bit more of a punch than 8. Maximum sustained winds around 60 miles per hour early Friday. After making landfall somewhere in the Florida Peninsula or Gulf Coast of Florida, we're expecting this to curl out to sea, but obviously there is a little bit of uncertainty with it, so we'll keep an eye on it, as it could possibly ride the coast a little bit more and impact areas of the Carolinas that already could be impacted by Tropical Depression 8. A lot of interesting stuff going on. Today, though, mostly sunny here in State College, 84 degrees, no hurricanes, winds light. Tonight, clear skies, maybe some fog late, 61 degrees. And your 7-day forecast, perhaps an afternoon or evening storm tomorrow, 86 degrees, more humid and pretty warm tomorrow. Then the changes come on Thursday, maybe a morning shower, then turning less humid and clearing for the afternoon, 78. Great weather to finish out the week, including for the Penn State home opener, 77 degrees on Saturday with lots of sunshine. Humidity and heat start to increase the second half of the Labor Day weekend as highs get back into the 80s. And once again, from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Nathan Flinchbaugh. Have a great day.